Hey guys, welcome back to the Blissful Athlete. Thank you for tuning in. Today's video, I'm going to introduce you to Parsva Mayurasana, which can also be understood as Side Peacock. And we don't call it that. It is Parsva Mayurasana here in Nithyananda Yoga. And so we'll just jump right into it. So if this is one of those asanas that you're really wanting to try and get down and you've kind of been struggling with it, I'm pretty sure I'm going to give you a couple tips here that are going to help you in manifesting this asana for you, okay? So what we're gonna do is we're gonna come down onto our mat and we're gonna come on the tips of our toes, okay? So I'm on the tips of my toes and I'm gonna bring my body all the way over to one side, okay? So I'm bringing my elbow, tucking it there. So do your best to get the elbow as far over as possible. Plant that hand down, and then what you're gonna do with this hand is you're actually gonna reach further away. So extend your arms straight out. Plant the hand there. And now if you notice, my hands are here and here. They're not side by side. Okay, I've got a nice gap here actually. From here, spreading out the fingertips nice and wide, and I'm gonna lean towards this hand. And then from there, I'm gonna try and bring this hip to this elbow. So first, leaning here, then hip to elbow. Then from there, I'm gonna slowly tilt forward now and balancing here. I'll extend my feet out and lift the chin, gazing at the third eye. And back. Okay, so I'll show you on the other side. Again, on the tips of your toes, reaching all the way over. Get this elbow outside that knee, outside the thigh as best as you can. So you're here, all the way outside. Plant the hand down, spread the fingers. From there, straighten out this hand. Down on the ground. Notice again, I'm not right here. I'm down and away. Now from here, I'll lean forward a little bit. I should feel some pressure on my elbow as I'm leaning onto this hand. This hand is straight and away. Then once I'm leaning here and I feel some weight on my left elbow, then I'll lean over, bring my hip to that elbow. Then from there, I'll lean straight down, spreading the weight, distributing it between both hands. Okay, so one last time. I'm here, reaching all the way over, planting the hand down, straightening this arm away from me. Lean, put some pressure onto this elbow. Then come over here, line that hip with that elbow, then coming down, leaning forward, extending the legs out, bringing the upper body up as best you can, gazing at the third eye. Okay, so I hope that helps you out, guys, with manifesting Parsva Mayurasana, an incredible asana. It is a really good asana for those that are kind of beginners. It can become one of those more advanced movements, and it's really fun to do. So hopefully this video helps you out. Let me know in the comment section down below if it does. And as always, be blissful.